Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 9T Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM into the device. Now there's only space for double SIM and no space for the SD card, so that kind of sucks, but yeah. Getting straight to it, you will need a SIM eject tool. They come in a box, so you can get it from there. If you don't really want to find the box, you can always use something like a paper clip and it will work just fine. And from there, you want to push out the tray that is located on the bottom of the device, so right here. So you will see I'll push it out. There it is. And all you want to do is just completely take it out. And then you get the access to the tray. So there you go, you put the SIM like this. And if you want to put a second one, you would just flip it like this, and it would just slide in also right here. Okay, so it doesn't really matter if you're using one SIM, it doesn't really matter where you put it, it will work just fine. And from there you want to slide it back into the device, and that's basically it. So we'll start looking for reception, as you can see, and yeah. So that is how you would insert a SIM into the device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.